I'm going to skip ahead a little bit here in this video because most of my videos have been back in the summer. I'm going to skip ahead to basically right now. Today's April 28th. Over the last 2 days, the river has been creeping up quite a bit, thanks to the control of the floodgates on Crescent Road. So they raise the gates, backs up the river, and then this happens. Which is where you guys got the video of me driving through the water over there to get to my yard. So I'm sitting in my driveway now, water's over there, creeps all the way along through here, and now it's come up enough that it's starting to creep up, just lapping at the edge of the road here, basically. So last night I drove through over here to my right, and it was pretty deep. I opened my door to check, and actually water came into the cab a little bit. So it's usually around the time you stop driving through, just because you start sucking water into the engine bay. You got electronics, you got all that stuff. If you have an old mechanical diesel, not a problem. This is my all-purpose truck. I drive this every day. I use it for work. I use it for pleasure. Everything else is... can't wreck it, because I just had it down for a month doing injectors. And it didn't take me a month to do injectors. It just took a month because I was waiting on injectors to come in to get rebuilt. Anyway, so the water's coming up. I can't drive through there anymore. I'm not wrecking my truck. And the other side here, well, it's even deeper, so not even gonna try. So yeah, it's been fun driving around through the water. So I'm gonna head over to my parents' place just down the road here. Yeah, see, they got road closed, road closed. You guys will see in just a second why they deem the road closed. I'm actually gonna fire up the loader first, let it warm up for a few minutes, because we have to move some equipment off of the main parking pad where we park the semis and stuff at Mom and Dad's place. Dad brought the white Mack with the flat deck on it here yesterday up to the shop because it's up on the hill, so we got it up here. I'm just gonna fire up this loader. Check the oil first. Ow. I didn't get it on video, but actually about a week and a half ago, when we did the latest snow removal snow event that we had, we replaced the alternator on here because the alternator seized up and ate the belt. Alright, so I just got the loader fired up. It's about a foot last night on Mom and Dad's road. We have the road marked. We have a yellow marker on one of the sticks, and once it gets up to the yellow marker, I believe we're at 30 inches on top of the road. So this part's pretty sketchy because we haven't marked the road here yet. So basically just gotta go slow and remember where the road's at, because we don't know where the ditch is. There's one of our markers. Yellow one when we get to 30 inches. So we got about 12 inches to go, I think, before we get to 30. right, we got the yard cleaned up enough. We don't have to worry about if it floods or anything. We just have the forklift left there and the loader, and those both start and move, so that's not a big deal. So now, yeah, pretty much finished up for the day. Gonna head home, and yeah, the water come up a little bit. It's come up quite a bit actually. Right across their driveway, all the way there now, all the way over there, and all the way over there too.